So you have $1,000 to invest and you're thinking, where should I put this money? To 10, 20 or even 50x that amount? And this is definitely a good question. And here is exactly what I would do. Now, before I jump to it, just a quick disclaimer. This is not a specific financial advice. I'm just simply sharing my opinion, and obviously you are solely responsible for your own finances. Now back to the video. So first things first, and before you even invest $1,000, make sure that these two things are straightened out in your budget. Number one is always great to have basic emergency fund. I'm talking liquid cash fund, and that should be at least $500 or $1,000 kept in your local bank. So in case of any smaller emergency, you have access to that cash immediately. And two, which is equally important, make sure that all your credit card debt is paid in full, because if you're paying between 15 and 22% interest charge on these credit cards, that will literally do nothing for you but holding you back financially. Now, and this is very important, if you came to this video thinking what stock I'm gonna suggest for you to invest to, or index funds or even cryptocurrency, then this is not a suggestion I'm gonna provide for you because it would be basically wrong. But here is what I would do with the first $1,000, and that will definitely bring you further financially. So first, out of $1,000, maybe $100 to $200 I would actually spend for the books. Obviously on the books that have topic that interest you, whether the book would be about how to invest the money, grow financially, or build a company from scratch and etc. Look, even if you spend $200 for these books, and let's say average book is about $30, and this is 100% proven the best first $100 or $200 for your investment, simply because most rich and wealthy people read books all the time through the entire year. Now, after you read those books, you're gonna have some good knowledge. The next $800, I would also suggest to invest it towards yourself, and that could be invested a couple of different ways. In some situations, for example, it might be worth to buy some good course online or be part of some educational program. And yes, obviously you can watch ton of videos on YouTube for free, and they will give you general or even more specific knowledge. However, sometimes these dedicated specific courses can provide a lot of valuable information inside and actually speed up your learning process, and that's exactly what you want. Now, obviously, if you decide to participate in some course and pay money for it, do some research and check the rankings if that course is basically good value for the money. Because remember, you are the most valuable asset of yourself, so if you invest in learning and education, it will pay dividends for a very long time. Now, another alternative for this $800 would be, let's say for example you have some online business or you're planning to open YouTube channel, so then you can invest that money to some good editing software, maybe buy some good lighting, microphone and etc. or any other equipment that will make your job easier, save you time, and that's why this would be great investment for your money. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, and don't forget to check this video next because there is good info in it too. Thank you for watching.